That's why, because I didn't have it on. Now you can hear it. God damn it, it's because everything resets. But yeah, I'm gonna finish up on this. Let me just fiddle with stuff. Where do you want my artwork? Here? Top? Left? Here? Maybe? Or the middle? The middle? I guess the middle, because there's barely anything in there. In the middle. Although you... yeah. I'm just constantly messing with stuff. Top left. Because all it is the top left of the saves and things. I'll tell you what, I'll sound it. Move this over to here. Or not. Ah, I can't find a thing to place this. Okay, I'll just put it in the original position. That's pretzel rocks, by the way. Hopefully it's not too loud. Anyway, yeah, I'm rambling and playing around with stuff. Which I shouldn't do, because, yes. I'm here. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, and my last stream was on my new PC. I've got a new PC now, well, aside from the graphics card. The Ryzen 5 3600. And not something motherboard, I can't remember what it was. But I'm gonna try and finish upon this. It's not much at the moment. I still feel like my mic is too far away. It's not much at the moment. I hope to finish it up today. Then move on to something else. I'm gonna do at least 2 more. 3 or 2. No. 4 more? Maybe. I'm gonna do at least 4 more or 3 more, I don't know. I don't know. I'm mainly using this one. My camera is a bit bright, isn't it? Just turn it down. There we go. I've got my light shining. I haven't got my actual bedroom light on, I've just got a natural light shining in. And this is my bunny hand. Let's do, instead of rambling, let's do like done like table chairs, a bed. Let's do some beds, because I ain't done those. Let's do those. So I'll do a bunk bed. I'm using the same colours for everything because it's just easier. I'm just checking stuff. Just constantly checking stuff. I need to close off that. There we go. Which colour? This colour? I'll try this colour. I could do face cam if you like that. I just mainly do mouse cam because it's easier. Would you like face cam? Anyone watching? I can do it. I'm happy enough to do it right now. Yes. I need black or a dark wood. You know what, I'll tell you what, because I'm feeling a bit okay right now, I'm gonna turn my mouse cam into a face cam. Just 1 second. Face. Face is always lovely. No. I need to click on something else instead of that. I click on this. Thank you. Hello, I'm here doing some voxel art, and yes, you can't see my mouth moving again because of my pop filter. Oh wow. Dun, 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 dun. I should lean back on my chair. Sorry for that, I just banged my chair into my desk. Bam, 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 bam. I want it this way, like that. I got my hair cut short ages ago. I like it short. I want this too, actually. I still feel like my mic's constantly far away from me. Pardon me. Bam, 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 bam. Hello, people. I'm gonna do it like this. Also, if you haven't seen my face before, hello, I'm Nathan. That's my name. Don't wear it out. I don't usually use face cam that much because but oh well, I'm feeling alright today to use it. Think about there. I think I am talking. Yeah, you can't see my mouth move because my pop filter. Oh wow. My streams are always like this. My streams are always like this, by the way. If you want to have some info, I have got this command. Just if you want some info about me, then I did that command ages ago just to give you a heads up. That looks wrong. Why am I doing that? What am I doing? What am I doing? I want it like that. I need a different colour for the ladder. I think that's good. I'll have the ladder sort of here. In fact, I'll half this a little bit. And then spam a lot of... no. Wait. 70. There we go. Whoopsies. I want to select it. And then select you. Drag you up here. I don't know why I'm thing. And there we go. To make it bigger. Oh. Well, that would help. I need to do that. I'm mainly looking down at my screen. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. And fit it. And put it up to 69. Nice. Do that. I've gotten very quick at creating stuff in Magic Voxel. Hopefully the music isn't too loud. If it is, please tell me. Hello. I keep staring at myself. Let me just angle this down a bit so you can see a little bit of me, more of me actually. Angle. There we go. And then I want to make a cushion. So I need white. I'm gonna go with white for that. Where have I used that? Mask. Masking allows me to see my unused colours. I can't remember where I've used that white. There's angling my mic. Where have I used that white? It's not obvious. Oh wait, have I used it? No. Where have I used that white? Become obvious once I do that. No. I don't know where I've used that white, but oh well. I'll just use it for this. Right, now to do the cushiony cushion. It's not gonna be accurate to the thing, but I've got my window open by the way. I still feel like my mic's too slowing down or anything. Dun, 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 dun. Let's change track. To this one. I want to do like that. I'm just gonna randomly do it. I don't care how odd it is, but well, I want another blue. Bam, bam, bam. Going from here. I want it like that actually. Just a thing. I love this tune. Although there. I can speak. Although right there. Can I speak? Although it reminds me of Blade Runner. Or just synthwave, I guess. I watched Blade Runner 2049 last night because rewatched it for like the 4th time. I want you to go up to the top. And then I want whoopsies. Hopefully I didn't reveal too much there. Nah. Dun, 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 dun. Oh yeah, I have to do this first. Unless I do... No. Bum. That and that. Yes. I have no way of zooming out my webcam a little bit. Unless I do. Hold on. That is. Add. Crop / particle scaling / aspect ratio. What's that? Resolution. Oh god. Nope. Too wide. Nope. Fuck it, I'll just base none. Nope, none. Thank you. What's this? Nope. Pardon me. Does anyone know how to zoom out? If there's a zoom out option in StreamYard's OBS or something. Unless I'm just googling something. No, I can't. I don't think I can. Oh well. I can move my monitor a bit backwards. Or just be a little bit backwards, but then I have to angle my mic and stuff. But oh. So if that's this changed everything. Oh well. I was gonna see if I could zoom my camera out a little bit, but I probably have to get a better camera for that. I want this bit back a bit, just by like 1 or 2 bits, if I'm making sense. Let me just check some stuff. Bam, 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 bam. Is that thing? I want this front just by 1 or something. And then I'll drag this forward to about there-ish. So it's 1, 2. 1, 2. Also, I'm pressing Alt to pick the colour. That's how you pick the colour easily. Instead of just going like this, I can just press Alt and click. It's the same as doing this. Makes it easier. I learned that like several weeks ago. Well, it was just right there, Alt and left button, but I didn't know I could do it then. About there, yeah. I need to make sure this is alright. Then I want to drag it. I want to select it. I want to do this and then do that, although it's got still a flat side. I need to sort of rotate it, don't I? Flip. I can't remember which one it was. There we go. And then rotate. Ah, that's not going to help the flat side, isn't it? Although it doesn't really matter. I think that looks good. Does that look good? I think so. I think that looks pretty darn... Oh, I forgot the fucking ladder, didn't I? God damn it. I was wondering what was missing from it. So, how am I gonna do this? These? Alright. Yeah, I should do it about there. And then do one here, do it a 2 gap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't have to do it accurate to that. It'd be good if you do 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Done. Attach you, attach you, attach you, and attach you, and attach you do that just to give it a little bit. Someone dialing something. Burp, 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 burp. Hello. Hello. That's the music. There. What do you say about that? Does that look good? This is for a pixel art style asset pack. I think that looks good. I think I might do one more bed. Maybe. Like this one, sort of. Although to do that one I just half this and redo it a bit. I did, so yes. And let me just do that. Not that. Pardon me. Right, I need to half this, and to do that I need to just first delete them voxels, then half it to about there, and then delete that and drag this down here, and then grab this color and do that. I think that is good to make a simple bed, although it does need the more stuff over it for a bed. I'll do that. That was just some post coming through my door. I think this looks fine and dandy, as I say. Yeah, I think that looks okay for a basic bed. I'd say so myself, this is looking really good. I might build up a shorter scene for this, just to show it off. But yeah, I've done really well with this, transferring these assets into 3D. Said so myself. I've been live for 37 minutes now. I could go and tear down for a bit. Which from this you think I should do? It's not much of this asset pack. In fact, I was going to do like a floor, wasn't I? There's no floors on this, but it doesn't matter because I can roughly do it myself by using one of this colour and one of this colour. I'll do that. I want another one of this. I have to work out which is the bottom one. For that one, no. Do not that. There we go. Although that's a bit big. I'll just spam it and make a big thing. Or not. Let's just put it to 70. I need to drag this out. For this last bit, I'm just gonna change my cam back into a mouse cam. There we go. Changing my mouse cam back into an actual mouse cam. Because I was tired of seeing my face. Let me just grab this colour here. And then do it like that. And then grab this colour here and do it in a line pattern. I'm just gonna do it basic for now. There, and then I'll just erase the rest. And then just copy and paste. Copy, paste. To make a line pattern. Yeah, this is just going to be a basic floor for a second. Get that bigger. Then put one on you. One on you. And one on you. Fit it in, and there we go. I'm just gonna rotate it to do G. Let me just do that. And then erase the bottom bit about there-ish. Copy this over. Rotate it. Copy this over. I'm just using this for a basic show off thing. 1 second. I'm back. I just had to do something. Yeah, I'm gonna do myself a little scene here. My cat is next to me, if you're wondering what that noise is, if you can hear it. This is a bit big for a scene. I'm just doing something. I didn't mean to do that. I'm not bothering with the positions here because I'm just building up a short little scene. Let's use a chair. Put several chairs of this in. Randomly somewhere. Update. And then rotate view. They're all the same, but it doesn't matter. And then randomly just put some of this in. Just to fill it up a bit. Dun, 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 dun. Sorry about that, I just had to deal with my own cat, who's been annoying, as always. She's annoying, but I still love her, as I always do. Yeah, there we go. This is just a small scene, just to show it up. I've been going for 50 minutes. I'm gonna go in to teardown in a bit, just to see how this is. I'll put you about there. It doesn't matter that these are like that. Okay, I'm gonna go and hop into teardown in just a bit. I'll be back in a second. Is it this one? No. This one. There we go. Yay. These actually look really good. I'm surprised. Oh. That doesn't matter. I'll keep my pretzel locks on. Although I do need to turn down the game a bit. These actually look good in teardown. I'm surprised. Oh yeah, that actually looks really good. I love it. My main thing for this is just, you could like just set this up in a pixel art style world or something. I've transferred these from 2D into 3D. They look really good. I've got a computer wrecker. Matophobia actually went on one of my maps. Last time on stream, when he streamed, he went on my Nerdcube voxel creations that I did for him. Well, I did just randomly. But yeah, these look really good. Can I sit on it? I'm sat on my chair now. These look really good. I'm surprised how good these look. Although, I of course haven't rotated this. I haven't rotated this so the ladder is other way. I could actually make this ladder into an actual ladder. You can climb up there. Climb up, but I've forgotten how. I'm surprised that this looks really actually good. I'll take a screenshot of this and post it on Twitter and stuff just to show you. But I'll need to rotate this first. Yeah, I generally really like this. It looks good. Now to destroy it all. That isn't computer wrecker. This may lag the stream, or it may not. Also, it's on fire. Well, that's gone. Completely gone in 2 seconds or something. Completely flattened out. I just realised my artwork thing is a bit off. There we go. But yeah, these look really good. I haven't got these doors properly on yet because I've got just this in a basic level. But I'm really happy with these. They really look good. I may make more. I don't know, I was going to finish up on this. I don't know whether to release it now with all just this basic stuff in, or later when I've got more. Sorry for that background noise. Yeah, these look really good. I'm happy with this, as I keep saying. I'm happy with it. Why is that? Oh right, it's just reflecting. I could make more. Just thinking. I think I'm done with this for now. I could make more, like a table here. Or something like that. No, I think I'm alright with this. I'll probably make another asset pack with more of this or something. I'll coin this as a small asset pack with chairs, table, some shelves, a bunk bed and a normal bed, and 2 doors and 2 walls. But yeah, I'm done with this. I've been going on for 1 hour now, so I don't go on for longer streams usually. I may do a stream tomorrow. I'm trying to catch up on my streams again, but it's just finding the time to do them. Anyway, I'm rambling like I always do, and like I always say. I'm going to leave you with the Pretzel Rocks music. And yeah, thanks for coming. My mouth thing there. Let me start that again. Thanks for coming. It's been really fun doing this. And yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. I may do a stream tomorrow, or I might not. I'll see. Anyway, yeah, I'm rambling and I don't know how to close off, so I guess good. Bye. Goodbye. I need to increase the size of that, not that. I'm bad at streaming. Not that. Yeah, there we go. Better size. And there, somewhere. Ignore what I'm doing. Just goodbye.